pass the ball outside. You are actually supposed to be in every fucking shot, right? And just make sure when they shoot it, it's come from the corner, not from straight against the goal. Right? Push it to the corners. Be active, be moving. Before you can switch places, I don't feel focused anywhere. You know what I mean? Just make sure you talk about it.
We almost want it, when the ball goes middle, we just match up. Every time we matched up and the ball went middle, that dude didn't know what the fuck to do with it. So as long as we're almost like manning up, you know what I'm saying, and making that motherfucker do something with the ball. Then it goes back out and we're zoned up again. You know what I'm saying? Don't, like you said, turn your head and then they kick, because you know they're just trying to jack free. That's all they're trying to do. That's all they do.
We had a pretty good game today, you know, first game back from break, and we just wanted to come out and play good defense and get back to playing the way we play. You know, it seemed like a long break from here, but came back in good shape, so was able to. My holiday was good. Like I said, I took about 5 days off and then got back in the gym and, you know, worked on my shot.
Yeah.
And I think that it showed tonight that I was in a much better rhythm. I mean, we see ourselves as definitely contending for it. You know, I don't care what place we're in right now. You know, we're just focused on getting better each and every day, getting better every game, and you know, the goal is definitely to win. So that's a long ways away. We're definitely looking forward to it. And the journey's gonna be fun. Just keep coming out and supporting us, and you know, we're gonna try and give them a good show.
Frábært, ég leik vel út í leiknum, sem var nú skemmtilegt. En þetta var hérna skemmtilegur sigur, góð sigur.
Þetta það sem koma skal, eða ég eftir að bæta ykkur eitthvað?
Já, við spilum illa í fyrsta hlutanum og svona lögum vörninu voru góður í vörn eftir það, þannig að það bjargaðist. En spilum við þetta á flott.
Einhverjum nýjir menn að koma inn í liðið?
Engin nýjir, nei.
Gamli Keflvíkingar?
Nei, engin.
Sögursagnir að Gunnar Einarsson hefði tekið hans ný, eru þær frá Bull?
Gunni Einarsson, nei, hann kom inn ægur hérna, það var bara leik okkur á, það var ekki alveg. Hann skoraði einu sinni, ekki eftir.